Hi, everybody. This is Leslie Fordham, real estate agent at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. We are here today in East Orlando. We're taking a look at the Pinewood Reserve, a new construction community by Pulte Homes. I am inside of the tower floor plan, and we have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, 2-car garage, just about 2,400 square feet, coming in at 2397. And this one is starting off at 371,990. So, oh, one thing to note, $85 a month HOA fees, no CDDs for the community for the single family homes. And the home site's lot premium starts off at about 25K. So let's take a look. So welcome to the tower model. Coming in, I really feel welcomed into this home by the entry space. There's just like a little landing here that's just like a little small gathering area to welcome me into the home. So right off of the front door, you have your first space. I usually would say that this is like a formal dining room. It's currently set up as an office, so it is a bonus room. Great amount of space to be used however you see fit for your design plans. On the first floor, we have our first half bath. Storage closet here. Living area. Look at all of the windows and doors and natural light that's being let in. So this is a true flowing living to dining to kitchen area, completely open. All of the natural light that comes in. Give you a shot of it this way so you can get an idea of just how deep this space is. And this is going to be your 2-car garage. Right off of the garage, this is a little mudroom space. And underneath the staircase, you have some additional storage here. And a little pantry. Alright, so first floor we saw the dining room, formal dining area, living, eat-in kitchen, and kitchen space. And a half bath. We are heading upstairs until the living quarters. So now we didn't have any bedrooms on the first floor, so everything is situated on the second floor. First thing that we see coming off of the stairs is the second floor laundry area. First full bath. Got your first bedroom here on the second floor. Here, let me creep around this door so you can see the closet. And now we're coming around the other way to take a look at the rest of the rooms. Isn't this just gorgeous? And I like to note that I don't have any lights turned on in this room, and just look at how bright it is in here. 3 windows with all that natural light just pouring in. A great open space. Here's your second floor living room, loft area. Great for a family movie night or a kids play area. What do you think? How would you use that space? This is the third bedroom. I am just loving all of the light coming into these rooms. Kind of shadowy, but here's your closet. And into the master suite, our 4th bedroom here on the 2nd floor. It's got kind of like a split floor plan here. So I'm going to go to my left here, and we're going to take a look at the master bath. And then go back into the master and then come over to my right and take a look at the master closet. So we just saw all 4 bedrooms here on the 2nd story of the tower floor plan. So thank you so much for coming along with me on a tour of the tower here at the Pinewood Reserve. Again, this was 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, just under 2,400 square feet, starting off at $371,990. I'm Leslie Fordham, real estate agent at Preferred Real Estate Brokers. If you have any real estate needs in the Orlando area, you're looking to buy or sell, please give me a call. My number is 407-676-4110. Thanks so much. Bye.